Hi everyone, I'm Jiahui. Today I want to talk about the leadership. I want to share a simple idea that we often overlook. Actually, for my idea, persuasion is also a form of leadership because nowadays the high pace, sorry, nowadays the fast pace in the work and also the high pressure during the work. So everyone will think the leadership is the person who can lead you moving forward. But for me, I think the perseverance is the attitude that will keep us moving forward. For me, leadership is not just leading someone moving on, but also lead myself to moving forward. The people will not follow the person who just in loud speaking when they facing some problem. They will naturally follow the person who can lead them to solve the problem, solve the issue, and give them a good advice. Especially in my industry, I'm working with a shipping line. So every day will pop out a many issue that we cannot expect it, or we can imagine that uh, we cannot imagine that morning is all everything is good way, but when after maybe after you having a lunch or just going a toilet, then everything will come out suddenly. So the people will follow the person who can calm down and steady when facing this challenge. So I think the people who can lead the person moving on, of course they will have three character in their attitude, like self-management, self-motivation, and self-responsibility. So if I even I cannot not so if I cannot lead myself, that I didn't have a good self-management or self-responsibility, of course they will not trust I can lead them to moving forward and get a good result. So I think the person who have perseverance, of course they will deliver a good result when they will deliver a good result when sorry the person who deliver a good result, of course they will become a leader. Even you are not the title of leader, but they will naturally trust you is a leader in the team. So for me, I think the leadership is not just giving the instruction, it's about giving people a sense of reliability. The person who have the leadership will naturally send the message of when you around, the people will come around to you because they believe you can, because they believe you can give them a safety sense when they facing a challenge. You doesn't leave them alone, and you will bring them without You will bring them instead of you just provide the solution to them. And that's all is my view of leadership. Thank you.